Hello, second grade. This week we're going to work on Lesson 16, Chase Games with Events. So here we're going to make a little story, and our dog is going to be an actor. Okay, so we have to have the dog actor say hi there. So we're going to say, when run, have the actor say hi there. So we click run. He says hi there. Okay, go to the next one. Now we have to have the dog actor, which is actor 1, say something, and Olivia, the cat, which is actor 2, say something afterwards. So first we want to have actor 1, which is the dog. We want him to say something. What do we want actor 1, the dog, to say? Maybe he'll say, how are you doing? You pick what you want. Okay, so actor 1 is the dog, and actor 2 is the cat. Okay, now what do we want actor 2 to say? So we change this to actor 2 because the dog is 1 and the cat is actor 2. And maybe the cat will say, good, what else could we say? Great. Maybe she said great. Run. So when we run, the dog says, how are you doing? And the cat says, doing great. So now we have to make actor 1, which is the dog, move towards Olive, the cat. Okay, so the dog's got to move towards Olive, the cat. So we're going to move actor 1, which is the dog, to the right. Okay, and let's try by 25 pixels. Okay, we got it. Now we need to make actor 1, which is the dog, move to the cat, and the cat has to say hi there when the dog reaches her. Okay, so first thing that has to happen is the dog, which is actor 1, has to move to the right. Okay, and then what's going to happen when the cat and the dog are near each other? We want the cat to say hi there. So when actor 1, which is the dog, touches the cat, which is actor 2, the cat is going to say what? It's going to say hi there. So we need to debug. Let's try another one. Let's try maybe 50. Let's see if we make this 50. Let's make a little more. Let's try 100. Okay, and then when they're touching, the cat says hi there. So now the octopus has to say what's new when she is clicked. Okay, so here's where it gets interesting. Normally we attach blocks to when run, and we click run, then automatically things happen. Now we want to make it so that when the actor is clicked. So when the actor is clicked, when we click on the octopus, what do we want to happen? We want the octopus to say, what do we want the octopus to say? What's new? What's new? Okay, so watch this. When I click the cat, when I click the octopus, it's going to say what's new. So first I click run. Now our program's running, and now when I click the octopus with my mouse, it says what's new. Now we're going to play a game, and we're going to move our mouse, move the penguin to score a point. Okay, so we click run, and now I use this, and I use my little guy here to get points. Okay, and I keep going back and forth. Okay, excellent. Now we're going to set it up a little bit more. Okay, so now what we have to do is now we have to make controls for the penguin because we want to make him move. On the other section, number 6, they did it for us. Now we have to program it, okay? And we're going to do this a lot in Scratch when we do Scratch in the coming weeks. So we have up, down, left, and right, okay? So we want to control the penguin. Okay, we want the penguin to move when we click our arrows. So what should happen when the up arrow is pressed? We want the penguin to go up. Because when you play a video game, when the children click on the up arrow, the character goes up. What do you want to happen when the down arrow is pressed? You want the actor, which is the penguin, to move down. Okay, see how I do that? What do you want to happen when the left arrow is pressed? You want actor 1, which is the penguin, to move left, right? Because we want it to make sense. You don't want to confuse people, and if they touch the left arrow, he goes up. You want the left arrow to make him go left, up arrow, he goes up, down arrow, he goes down. And when the right arrow is pressed, you want to go to the right. Okay, up. Now I click run. Now when I click to the right, he goes to the right. When I click up, he goes up. When I click to the left, he goes to the left. Click down, he goes down. And I go to the right, he goes to the right. Okay, now we have repeat forever in here, okay? And it allows you to do the code over and over again. So we want to have the dinosaur, Chomp the dinosaur, which is actor 2. We want him to go up and down forever. Okay, so we're going to have repeat forever. Okay, we're going to have repeat forever. And we want actor 2, which is Chomp the dinosaur. Okay, we want him to move up by 400. And then we want him to move down by 400. Okay, so now we have forever. We have a forever loop. When we click run, the dinosaur goes up 400 pixels, then he goes down 400 pixels, and he repeats it, up 400, down 400, up 400, down 400. So he's going to be repeating that in a repeat loop. And when we click arrow 1, when we click the up arrow, actor 1, the penguin, goes up. When we click the left arrow, the penguin, which is actor 1, goes to the left. When we click the right arrow, the penguin goes to the right. When we click down, the penguin goes down. So now we click run, and now we have our dinosaur in the repeat loop, okay? And he goes up and down. Okay, so now we want actor 1, Waddles, to say ouch and play a hit sound if he runs into Chomp. So, they already set this up for us. When actor 1 touches actor 2, actor 1 is the penguin. When the penguin touches the dinosaur, what do we want to happen? We want him to say ouch and play a hit sound. So, when they're touching, the penguin says ouch, and then we have to play a sound. What type of sound do we want? We want a hit sound. Okay, so now we click run, and now that the dinosaur goes up and down, he's in a repeat loop. And we have the arrows controlling up arrow, penguin goes up, left, he goes left, right arrow, he goes to the right, down arrow, he goes down. And when they're touching, the penguin's going to say ouch, and he plays the hit sound because that's what they want. Click run. Now I go over here. Oh, my sound's not on, that's why it's not working, but you'll hear it when you play. So now we have to score a point when the actor runs into the octopus, okay? And let's see. So, see how we're doing it? We're step by step, we're making a game. So, when actor 1, which is the penguin, when he touches actor 3, the octopus, he wants to get 1 point. Okay, so now we'll put this down here so it's easy to see. So, when the penguin gets to the octopus, and they're touching, we get 1 point. Let's click run. Well, I don't want to get hit by that dinosaur. Got it. Now we're up to number 11, and we're going to use when run to change the background and the speed of the penguin. Okay, so when run, when we start our game, what type of background do you want? Where do you now you get to design your game. When you run, what type of background do you want? I want underwater background. You pick what you like, okay? So when run, set your background, And you also have to set the speed. So let's look for speed. Okay, so when run. Okay, see they tell us what they want. When run, change the background to whatever background you like. I'll pick that one. And then you pick how fast you want him to go. I'll say very fast. Okay, I click run. Now he's going very fast in the underwater background. And now let's see if I can get to the penguin. Okay, very good. Now we're up to the last one. In this one here, you have a lot of freedom. You can do whatever you want. So I'll just do one real quick. When I run my game, I want to have I like the underwater background. And I pick, what do I want actor 1 to be? Maybe I want a dinosaur to be actor 1, okay? When the up arrow's clicked, I want to move up, okay? When the down arrow's clicked, I'll do all of them. Down arrow's clicked, I want to move down, up. I'll move this, use this one. Down. On the left. And I move to the left. And then when the right arrow is pressed, I want to move to the right. I'm not going to add sound as well if I like. I could say, let's see if they have a sound. I could say when he moves up, I want to play a sound. Okay, I can make it use that. And let's see how it goes. And then I could say when he's clicked. We could do something when he clicks. Maybe we'll have him, we'll play a different sound. We'll make it when the up arrow's pressed. He hears a crunch sound, and then when he's clicked, you hit a, how about a wind point sound? Okay, so let's see how the game goes. So now we have a dinosaur and an underground background. When the up arrow is pressed, he makes a sound, he goes up. When you press the down arrow, he goes down. Left arrow, he goes left. Right arrow, he goes right. And then when I click him, he gets a point. I'm sorry, when I click him, he makes a sound of a point. So now I got him moving down, up and down. And you see when I go up, he makes his sound. And when I click him, he makes his sound like that. So you could do your own ideas over here for whatever one you want to do for number 12. And then when you're done, you click finish. And if you want to, you could share this link with me. You can give me this link, or you could just turn on in Google Classroom and I'll see your work on code.org. So if you log in, I'll be able to see your work on code.org. You also could send me this link as well if that's easier for you. Either way, I'll be able to see your work.